how to use Betway's Bet Builder for custom bets. If you want to use Betway's Bet Builder for custom bets, here's a short guide to using Betway's Bet Builder. First of all, the Betway app, which has now been renamed to Spin Palace Casino. Open it up, and then you want to log into your account by tapping the login icon from the bottom right, entering your email and password, and hence logging into your account. Select an event, which means to choose an eligible event, which is often football sometimes. Find the Bet Builder option. Choose multiple outcomes from the same event like player goals or corners or cards. Then after you've done that, you want to simply review the Bet Builder odds, which will calculate the combined odds. After that, you can simply enter this text to input your bet amount, then confirm your custom bet. This way, you will be able to use Betway's or Spin Palace Casino Bet Builder for custom bets. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.